Hi, it's Jeannie from Create and Babble, and I want to show you the process that I used to create the t-shirts that is on today's post with the how to design a graphic t-shirt in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Design Space, of course, and then click on New Project. And since I am designing a t-shirt, it would be helpful to have a template open. So I'm going to click on template and get a t-shirt up. So over here in the search bar, type in t-shirt. Then I'll click the classic and change it from men's to women's short sleeve and change the size to medium or large, or whatever size you want, whatever size is appropriate. Now I'm going to increase this so I can see it, and you could also change the color of your t-shirt to make it easier to see. So let's just make it, I don't know, gray. All right. Okay, so the design of my t-shirt. The words on my t-shirt say, "A million dreams are keeping me awake," and it's from that movie, The Great Showman. So there are going to be 4 lines of text in my design, and 2 of the words I want to be in a scripty type of font, like a handwritten type font. So I'm going to type those 2 words first. And you begin by clicking on text. And my first word is dreams, for a million dreams. And I'm going to move this up where I can see it and change the font to Rotarity. Okay, this one. This is a new font to me, but it's pretty and scripty. I like it. And I'm going to make that bigger. And look up how far apart those letters are, so we got to get them together. And so I'm going to start by adjusting the letter space. It's a good place to start. And then I go over it and ungroup it and move them closer together with the mouse or the arrow key, whatever works out best. So that they're touching and can be welded together to make one shape. I think that's good. So if I select them all and click weld, then I'll have one shape that can be moved around. Okay, the other word that I want in this same font is awake. So if I click text, it'll type it in that same font. Pick it up where I can see it. And get my letters closer together. And then I'll ungroup it and tweak it some more. There we go. And put that all together and weld. That size might work too. Now these 2 words are going to be cut out of pink vinyl, so I'm going to go ahead and change the color of those to pink. So I'm going to move those down to make room for my other words, and they are "a million dreams" will be the first line, and that is going to be a different font. I just want a typical or regular straight up and down font, so any of these would work, but I'm going to type in Beavis, Nua. Okay, there we go. So 1,000,000 is the first line. And let's make that bigger. And I would like to adjust the spacing between A and million. So I'll ungroup that and move A a little closer over to million. And then put it back together and weld. And then I can adjust the size. Like if I want this short or long, you can do that by unlocking that. I think I like that. Okay. Okay, 1,000,000 dreams are keeping me will be the next line. Same thing, I want the words a little closer together, so I will ungroup this and move me over and R. Now I'll weld it together, unlock it, and match the top. This one is 1.314. I can match that, 0.314. To get the height the same as the line above. And there we go. That's all there is to it. Now, because I changed the colors to match my vinyl, it will separate out the mats by color. Here's what I mean. When you click on Make It, the black words are on one mat, and then the pink words are on a separate mat. Just makes it easier for cutting. And that's all there is to it.